Hello, and the cosine rule, GCSE exam questions answered. So, the cosine rule, let's get it down first. What is it, the cosine rule? Well, it's in the formula booklet, but written out, of course, it's a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc in lowercase 2bc and cos of your angle A, and that's in a capital letter. So a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos A. And it's all about substituting in your values and using your calculator. So again, we need to identify our sides, and we can be smart about this. Let's call this A, let's call that B, and this will be angle A because it's got to be opposite your lowercase letter, and we've got only C left, so that's side C. So we've got our values of A, B and C, and we've got our angle A. So we're good to go. So then we have, of course, x squared is, that's what we want to find as well. X squared is equal to 13 squared, which is B, so that's 13 squared plus C squared, which is 10 squared. Could put that in brackets, but no need because you're going to put everything. You're just telling the examiner what you're going to do. 2 times 13 times by 10, and cosine of angle A, which is 100 degrees. And you can go straight to your calculator now. Make sure you write this out because some of you just put answers, and for 3 marks, if you make a mistake with your inputting into your calculator, you will lose the method mark. So it's sensible to always tell the examiner what you're going to do. So yeah, this gives you 314.1485, 1485, and so on. And you can just say the square root of the answer. X is equal to the square root of 314.1 1485, and so on. Okay, 3.14 or 314.14 and so on, square root of all that, and you get the answer of, to 1 dp, that's what they want. It's 17.7, I believe, on your calculator. 17.7. Okay, that's finding a side length. Like with the sine rule, it's sensible to find a side length, and let's go to how we're going to find an angle. So question number 5 says here on this paper says, and it's again for 3 marks, work out the value of x. Work out the value of x. Give your answer to 3 sig fig. So we can use now an adaptive formula. Again, if you're not shy of algebraic manipulation, it really doesn't matter. You just need to sensibly choose what you label A, B and C. But an adaptive formula is used, and yeah, it's good for you to go if you're shy about algebraic manipulation. So that adaptive formula is the cosine of A, is equal to b squared plus c squared minus a squared all over 2bc. All over 2bc. And if you use it enough, you will be able to memorize it. But I do encourage the ability to develop algebraic skills and algebraic manipulation. So again, this is going to be side A, and this is what you want to find. So that's capital A, that's angle A, and of course, does it matter what you call B and C? Well, B and C. So we got A, B and C, and we've got our angle. So we've got the cosine of x degrees is equal to, and now we just substitute in the values. So we've got 15 squared plus 16 squared. Again, I could write that in brackets, but just to save time, minus 20 squared all over 2bc, which is 2 times b, which is 15, times c, which is 16. And again, could go straight to the calculator here, because I've got, of course, I'm going to take the inverse cosine of all of that answer, and I get what, 27 over 160, 27 over 160, and x will be equal to cos to the minus 1 of the answer, and that will give me to 3 sig fig. I got 80.3, and that's it in 6 minutes and 3 marks.